Hey, yeah.
Ini gambar-gambar dulu.
And my
Ooh, yeah.
main profession is as a mom. Yes, I am just a mom.
Clock strikes upon the hour.
Hi, welcome to David Dimisa's channel. I want to show you what I bring along in my travel. Okay, this one is junk journal I made by myself. It's very simple, and inside I've got this envelope, and inside the envelope you can see this is a quote, and then hey, I bring along stencils, just two kinds, and then this one is beads. You can see it's just a simple junk journal. I just bind it with a yarn. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, the other envelope in the back of the junk journal. Inside of the envelope, I've got washi tapes. You see that washi tapes? Oh, this is paper punch out. Washi tapes, and I've got scissors. That's all. That's very simple. And I will show you inside the bag. Okay, we'll show what I bring inside the bag. I just take it out. This is Caran d'Ache water soluble crayons. And I bring along about 4 pen. This is drawing pen with a certain measure, and this is calligraphy pen, and you can see this is for water color, and this is a distress ink. I bring along about 7 or 8 color. That's all that I bring along when I travel to Surabaya. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me your like.